Hello internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an update for the ColourPan Project Pan. This project is a Fantastic Ladies collab that was created by Misty. As always, Misty will be listed and linked down below, as well as the master list of everyone else who was in this project. And to address the obvious elephant in the room, yes, unfortunately, I am sunburnt. I did not think I was going to get burned this bad. So I did not put SPF on my body. This is it after 3 days of being healed. It doesn't hurt, but obviously it's bad. I've just been staying hydrated, aloed up, shea buttered up, anything I can do to help. But yeah, I know it's going to be distracting. I'm very sorry. So let's just jump into it. I do have one thing rolling out this update. For this project this year, I picked 4 items to have on rotation. They all have different goals. So the first and only item rolling out this update is the eyeliner. This is Rossetti. The goal with Rossetti was to use it 5 times, and that 5th use was hit. Is that right? Have I not updated this project since March? Sorry, guys. If this is right, I wrote March 14th, 2026. Unless I'm in April. But either way, it was a pretty rose gold. I really do enjoy this one. This is one of my older ones, so I'm very happy that it was used the 5 times. And now, talking about what is remaining in this project, I have from the Powerpuff Girls collab, the blush in Saving the World. Since the last update, I've used it 4 times. It has 12 uses remaining to hit its goal. I've just been using it sparingly. I've been really loving cream blush at the moment, so I do have to remind myself to start using that more, because I would like that rotated out soon, but I'm not stressing about it yet. Next, this one I'm not surprised I used. I could have used it in the look today, but honestly I didn't think to. This is the Super Shock Ultra Glitter in Moon Daisy. I don't find it that glittery anymore. My goal is to hit pan. I've only used it once since the last update, so it definitely needs more love. Since 50 Shades of Blue started, I have started to wear more blue looks, but I need to find my staple blue looks for the project, you know what I mean? Because this one could become a staple, but its goal is going to be hit by next month. For my eyeshadow stick, I have from the Winx collab, this is Morphic's Shield. This is so beautiful. I've had so much fun playing with it. The goal is to use it 10 times. I've used it 5. It is a light blue that mostly shifts to green, but in some lighting, what you pair it with does that orangey yellow. I've had a lot of fun pairing this with oranges and neutral tones when I've worn it the 5 times. Like, I'll do like a nude eyeshadow look, and then that is my inner corner, not inner corner, like inner lid shade, and it's gorgeous. I am really enjoying it. So it has 5 more uses remaining to hit its goal of 10. It will definitely be done by the next update. I'm just loving it. Like, I really am. That one surprised me, because I'm pretty sure, I don't remember what photo they used on the website when I did pick it up. I think I thought it was just like a blue to green, but that is really pretty. It's really dimensional. So the new eyeliner rolling in, I don't know the name of. It completely is gone, so I'm gonna have to do some research online. I thought at first maybe it was Gobi, but I don't think it's Gobi, because Gobi was in last year. but I know this is from the same collection, that whole Costa Coral palette that they dropped when they did the monochromatic 9-pan palette. These were the eyeliners that were dropped with it. It was Gobi and whatever this one is. So it is a very pretty, like, I would call this a true coral, closer to salmon. I'm very excited to use it. My goal as well is just going to be 5 uses. Like I've been saying, I just want a good rotation on my eyeliners. I feel like I've gotten better at using them, but I have so much to catch up on. I have not been rotating them as good as I used to, and that does make me worry, because anything by your eyes, you should be a little concerned if you're not using them. So I figured between the ones that haven't been in this project at all or haven't been used in the past year and a half, it was either this one or a bronzy color, kind of more like a, no, I would say it's more bronze, it's not really copper. So I picked this one first. Once this one rotates out, I'll pull the copper in, and then I can pull from the beginning again. So once again, I feel like the salmon will go with the blues. It will be a complementary color, but also when I do wear colors like that, I do get a lot of compliments on my eyes, so that's always nice. Something nice, simple, easy, put on at work, and people will be nicer to me. If you work retail, you understand. But I'm happy. I wish more was out, of course, but I am happy with the progress I have made, and like, this has become a staple. So I really enjoy it. I might let it free roam in my drawer once it's rolled out of this project, because I genuinely enjoy it that much. So I'm very happy that I am understanding my collection. I got some more use, and we have a new product rolled in. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you next time. Bye.